which is a simple automatic production planning and scheduling of sizes. This project is developed using the Laravel framework, and it is designed to solve the production management problem faced in industries and factories. In many factories, managers faces difficulties in monitoring multiple production activities simultaneously, which is basically manual planning often causes delays, inappropriate task allocation, production imbalance, inefficient monitoring, tasking sizes, production quantities, and the work assessment and scheduling becomes more difficult when the workflow increases. This inspired me to build a smart automatic solution. So the main objective of this project is to automate production planning and scheduling. The system intelligently manages production sizes, assign tasks, monitor workflow, and appropriate efficiently using Laravel. I created a centralized platform where administrators can manage production operations easily and effectively. This project is developed using Laravel as a backend framework. PHP and MySQL are used for the server-side process and database management. The front end is designed using HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, and JavaScript to create an interactive and responsive user interface. So now let's get into a workflow of this project. As we see here, this is a simple landing page. So firstly, if we don't have any account, we have to create it from here by clicking it on get started. So let's say if I have account, so I'll sign in here. So there are three different logins here. So one is admin page, and the second one is manager page, where the to manages the production planning, and the third one is operator, who is working over there, which is basically the employee. So firstly, let's get into an admin page. So I'm signing from here. So this is uh, a simple dashboard where we can admin can manages and admin can monitor the amount of work which is going on the factory right now. So these are the number of orders that have been received, and these are the production trend. I mean, which is we are not working on it, so because of that, it's just showing 0% of here. Whenever we get any orders and we if I schedule it, so it automatically pushes up. So I mean, these are the number of machines we have, and these are the number of machines which are working. So 4 out of 5 is working because fifth one is under maintenance and we are working on it. So which is because the machine got damaged. So it is as simple as that. So these are the number of orders and the progress, and the active machines and the overdue. Overdue is basically if I get any order and if I cross the order timings, I mean the date of the submission, so it will eventually get into an overdue, and which is the must need task to do. So I mean this is a simple pie chart representation of the workflow, and here these are the I mean the notification shown over here whenever we get any order received, so we'll get notified from here. And these are the priority orders because you see we have this number of orders which is overdue, so we have to make it first. So I mean these are in a sorted order, so we have to as per the production company asked, so we took a note out of here. So these are the basically we say these are the orders that we got, so we have to make it as soon as possible, right? So let's get into an employees page. So employees is nothing but the person, I mean the people who are working on the company factory right now, I mean on the company. So here we can see the employee and their email ID, and I mean the task that has been allotted for this person, and the machine that has been allotted to this person, and also the performance that the person done, I mean the amount of work he has done, because we can also rank that person and give compensation, I mean increase the compensation of that person based on the performance that they have done, right? So this is coming under the, so let's get into an attendance. So currently we are not working on it because We are not seeing any attendance record over here. So whenever if I take any attendance of the people, so it automatically shows over here. So it's currently not showing. And the task is also same thing. So if I allot any task, if I get any orders, and if I allot any task to any person, so it will show now here, and I can monitor directly from here. And the next thing is production order. So production order is nothing but the order that we have received. So which is, for example, this is a order ID, and this is a tote bag, and also the company needs 928 bags, which is an urgent priority, so which is the firstly highly prior, so have to do it. So this is how I schedule it. And this is a smart QR attendance where employees can take attendance by their own self, I mean by themselves, directly by scanning their face. And also the next thing is a timeline. So which is timeline is nothing but we are estimating the work will be done in between this time. If I allot it at this time, it will be completed by this time. So it is just as simple as that. Let's get into an asset fleet, which is basically the machines we are working under. So this is the capacity that is shown here, and these are the I mean the load which is under it right now. So based on the capacity, we allot the machines the amount of work. So these are the four working machines, and this is under maintenance. Let's get into an production products. So which is I mean here we see that these are the three products that we are working under right now. So which is classic t-shirt, cargo pants, and the tote bag. So we allotted the work to the four of the machines, so they are working on it. So we can monitor it from here. And the next thing is an inventory. Inventory is nothing but the amount of uh, I mean, things, the amount of material that we have in our company, in our factory right now to do the orders. So currently we are not having anything because we are not scheduled. I mean, I did not schedule anything. So this is the admin dashboard. So if I'll sign out from here, and I'll try to log in it for the manager. So we see here the manager also have the same things to monitor as same as the admin. Manager can only not manages any admin. I mean cannot monitor the admin's work, but apart from that, manager can also manages everything, each and everything. Managers can monitor from here. I mean from the amount of workflow which is going on. He can see the employees, he can see the attendance, he also can see the machines. I mean basically managers can operate anything same as the admin, but he cannot operate any admin, right? So let's sign out, and I'll try to log in as a operator. So operator is basically the employee working over there, right? So I'll log in here. So uh, this is the operator page. So he can check the I mean the notifications, and he can also monitor the work which is going on in the company. He can check the priority orders, and he can check the I mean the orders that have been allotted to him. He can check, I mean he can take an attendance, I mean smart QR attendance, and also he can check the priority timeline of the products, right? I mean he can only monitor this, nothing else, because he's just an admin. So sorry, he's just an operator. So I mean these are the things which is enough for an employee to work over this, right? So this is a simple basic project, Laravel project for me to do, as we see in many factories. So people are struggling to keep their database stored and monitor the people. So I got up with this idea and I implemented it. And this is the database that has been, that has been storing the data, which is production database. And these are the machines and orders, order items, production, scheduling, and the sizes. These are the tables I used. And that's it. Thank you.